If stroller shopping has you drowning in promises, here's the full-size stroller setup, 4 main picks for 4 real family problems. Quick answer: Uppababy Cruz V3 for daily use, Evenflo pivot span for value, Thule Spring for easy folding, and Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 for rough ground. No stroller nails every day. Choose by fold, push, storage, and lifespan. For most day-to-day families, I'd start with the Uppababy Cruz V3. It's a polished choice if your stroller lives on sidewalks, in stores, and beside the front door. The big win is how complete it feels: smooth push, roomy storage, and a build that doesn't feel disposable. But it's not the painless car stroller. The fold takes both hands, and the weight gets old if you're lifting it constantly. Skip it if your routine is mostly trunks, stairs, and quick errands. If you want the smarter spend, look at the Evenflo Pivot Spand Modular Stroller. This is for parents who want real full-size convenience, especially a reversible seat and useful storage, without jumping straight to luxury pricing. It gives you a lot of stroller for the money. The trade-off is refinement. The cushion materials don't feel as premium, the basket has a lower weight ceiling than I'd want, and the warranty is brief. Skip it if bumpy sidewalks, tight storage, or a buttery ride matter most. For apartment stairs, smaller trunks, and parents who hate wrestling gear, the Thule Spring is the easy fold pick. It suits families who still want a capable everyday stroller, but need something quicker to collapse and less annoying to move. That's the whole appeal. It folds fast, handles tight spaces better, and still gives you decent storage. The compromises are fit and extras. The handlebar shape is personal, car seats need an adapter, and taller kids may run out of room sooner. Skip it if seat posture and harness ease are your top priorities. When your walks hit grass, gravel, curbs, and cracked pavement, the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 all-terrain stroller makes more sense. It's for taller caregivers, bigger kids, and families who want a sturdy stroller that doesn't feel fussy outside. The payoff is confidence on mixed surfaces, plus a fold that's still quick for a larger stroller. The catch is the daily layout. The basket is awkward, the handbrake won't be for everyone, and the seat stays more reclined. Skip it if you want a compact city feel or a very upright rider. Quick split. Daily stroller you use constantly, Uppababy Cruz V3. Best value with full-size features, Evenflo pivot span. Fast folding and tighter spaces, Thule Spring. Uneven ground and bigger riders, Baby Jogger City Mini GT2. Before you buy, match the stroller to your boring daily loop. Check trunk fit, stair carrying, basket access, seat comfort, and whether cleaning fabric feels realistic. The best stroller is the one you won't avoid using. So if you're unsure, start with the Uppababy Cruz V3. Go Evenflo if value matters more, Thule if folding is the headache, and Baby Jogger if rough sidewalks run your life. Pick the one that matches your week. Links are in the description.